Hi guys, back on our lines. Here is a giant tree that gave way to gravity and destroyed a lot of stuff as it came down. And now we need to clear this way here. It's mostly just branches, but hopefully it's gonna be a quick one.